And you're watching Eyewitness News. Joining us once again tonight, attorneys Molly Clark, who is here for Greg, and Ed Ciarimboli. Welcome.
Do you know why Greg couldn't be here today?
Is he having a turkey hangover?
He got up at 1 o'clock in the morning to go.
He did?
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. He loves Black Friday.
Early shopper.
Loves it.
Wow.
Absolutely loves it.
I didn't know that about Greg.
Oh, the guy loves it.
Well,
Can't get enough of it.
I hope he's catching up on some sleep then.
He might still be out there fighting the crowds.
Let's get to our question tonight, and this is from Bill in Jenkins Township. Bill says, I recently underwent an elective tonsillectomy. After the surgery, I have no taste. My doctor never told me about this. Is there anything that I can do? So Bill wasn't expecting these issues from the surgery. Yeah, so believe it or not,
Molly and I, we actually tried a case just identical to this last year and got a great result for our client here in Luzerne County. It's an informed consent case. Basically the doctor, this is a risk of the procedure. The doctor knows about it. Even though it's a small risk, the doctor still knows about it, and they have to tell you so that you can take that into consideration in making the decision about whether to undergo this surgery or not. That's the law. The first thing that you're going to have to do is get documentation. I'm going to let Molly tell you a little bit more about the nuts and bolts of after you get that, the process, but that's about it, right?
Yes, like Eddie said, you do need the documentation. So before that procedure, you would have to sign what's called an informed consent. And usually on those, it will tell you what the risks of the procedure are, namely the loss of taste or smell. And if it's not on there, that's a problem. And more importantly than that, it being on the form, they need to actually sit you down and tell you that. If they don't explain that to you, you have a very good cause of action. So if that's the case, you should get in contact with us.
Those that want to do that, how can they reach you?
Well, you can get us on the web at call us at 570-714-HURT. You can get us on the web at 714hurt.com. Facebook page if you have a question. And don't forget about the hotline. You can always call the hotline. Molly is going to be dragging herself away from shopping. She bought 9 pairs of shoes today, and she's going to work the hotline this weekend.
Well, that'll keep Molly out of the stores, and I think that's Greg's favorite line, get us on the web, so that's probably why you said that.
I think it is, yeah, get us on the web.
Results Matter attorneys Molly Clark and Ed Ciarimboli. Have a good night.
We'll see you.
Don't forget PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.